Welcome to this pain relief meditation for mind-body healing. This soothing guided practice helps you release tension, reduce discomfort, and restore your body's natural rhythm of comfort and calm. Whether you're managing physical pain, emotional stress, or simply seeking rest, this meditation invites your body and mind into harmony and healing. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Let your breath be soft, steady, and slow. A gentle wave rolling in and out of the shore of your being. Now bring your awareness to the area of your body that feels discomfort. You don't need to resist it or change it. Simply observe it, as if you're listening to a message from your body, spoken in the language of sensation. With each inhale, imagine drawing in pure healing light, soft, warm, and golden. With each exhale, release tension, tightness, and pain, letting it dissolve into the air around you. Visualize this golden light beginning to spread, flowing like liquid sunlight through your body, easing every muscle, joint, and cell it touches. You might even feel a gentle warmth, a tingling, or a sense of relief, the energy of restoration awakening within you. Now imagine this light forming a cocoon of comfort around you, a radiant field of peace and balance. Inside this glow, your body remembers how to heal. Your nervous system softens, your breath deepens, and your mind becomes still, like the calm surface of a lake at sunrise. Whisper gently to yourself, "My body knows how to heal." I allow comfort to flow freely. I am safe. I am supported. I am whole. Stay here for a few moments, resting in the quiet power of your own healing energy. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath, steady and calm. Feel gratitude for your body, for its strength, and for the way it continues to show up for you. Gently open your eyes, bringing this peaceful, restorative energy with you into the rest of your day or into your evening.